everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, after Lady Do and Andile's breakup, social media has been trying to find their own answers of what could have happened between the two. Black Twitter president known as Chris Excel said the following: these few gigs and bookings of December made Lady Do think she's better off without Andile. That's the difference between men and women. When a man makes money, he spends it with his woman. When a woman makes a lot of money, she feels like a man is holding her back. And guys, for the first time, most people agreed with his or her statement, but that doesn't mean he was telling the truth or she was telling the truth. That was his or her opinion, which brought a lot of conversation on Twitter. The first person said, "Uyabuthetha ubhanga Chris." Then uspe wati, "Hey, you nail it. That's true." Pushfire wati, "For the first time, I agree with you." Tools, once a woman earns more money than a man, you are automatically rendered useless. Mind you, Andile took care of her while she was still up and coming, struggling artist. Women always think they don't need a man. Once they start making more money, they feel so superior and end up being child left, right, and center by ordinary gents. And Miss Nota said, "I saw this coming a long time ago. I'm sad. I feel like it's not a gender thing, it's a success thing. Any successful partner is bound to neglect the other, causing quarrel and breaks up. A lot of men have done the same and cheat when they get successful, e.g. black coffee." So guys, yeah, bayakhuluma abantu la ngaphandle, but my question is, should the other partner continue to stay in a relationship even if he or she is no longer happy just because the other partner was there during difficult times? What's your opinion, guys? Please comment below. Bye.